done at the same venue in the lead up to the 2007 general elections, in which APs were later dispersed as election officials and poll agents for the Party of National Unity. We are also in possession of information that further to the above activities, several military officers are currently being hosted in Kakamega at the former provincial premises. We have information that these military officers are being prepared so as to be recruited by the IEBC as polling officials in the ongoing recruitment process. We are inclined to believe we are challenging the national government and the leadership of the security organs in the country to explain to Kenyans why a select group of military officers would be involved in training civilians like county commanders and regional coordinators. We also want to appeal to our military to remain faithful to the traditions of this country and their call of duty, and refuse to be dragged into politics, and instead focus on keeping our country safe. That has been our proud tradition as a country. This generation must keep it going. End of statement. Sijaongea juu ya Ikulu. Ningependa uchukue hii statement na uyasome. Tumesema mahali ambayo hizi mikutano zimefanyika. Tumesema juu ya Lake Naivasha Lodge, tumeongea juu ya Lake Taita Lodge na Great Rift Valley Lodge, pale ambayo mikutano hizo zimefanyika. Na mkifanya uchunguzi mtapata ya kwamba hizo mikutano zimefanyika huko. Vile vile nimesema kwamba kuna mkutano ambayo inaendelea wakati huu ambayo watu wanafundishwa katika ile kituo cha jeshi ya Embakasi, na mnaweza kutuma watu wenu wakati huu waende wakachunguze, wanaenda kupata kama kitu hiyo inaendelea wakati huu, sio kesho. Vile vile nimesema ati kuna wanajeshi ambayo wamepelekwa Kakamega katika kile ambayo ilikuwa makao makuu ya provincial administration Kakamega huko. Hata yule ambaye anaitwa county commissioner amewaachia ofisi yake kwao wakati huu, na ni wanajeshi ambao wametuma huku karibu watu 100 na kitu. Kwa hivyo haya sio uvumi, maneno ambayo mnaweza kufanya uchunguzi wenu wenyewe na mkayajua. Sawa.
Wanajeshi wa Kenya wanajulikana sana kwa ustadi wa logistics. Do you think maybe the allegations that you make now may antagonize and the military, bearing in mind that you're vying for the position of the president, and eventually the commander-in-chief of the armed forces is making an offer? Do you think the allegations would maybe spoil your relationship with the military?
That's why we have said we want to appeal to our military to remain faithful to the traditions of this country and their call of duty, and refuse to be dragged into politics, and instead to focus on keeping our country safe. That has been our proud tradition as a country. This generation must keep it going. So we are not in any way inviting controversy between us and the military. We're basically just making an appeal. And we know that the politicians would want to invite them to interfere, and that there may be a few officers here and there who may be heeding that call from the politicians. So we are basically appealing to them to live up to their creed, their codes, and uphold their neutrality in politics and refuse to be dragged into this political contest.
Mtu atauliza kwamba ile unaondokea masuala ambayo yalikuwa Kajiado na kufuatilia masuala mengine, utasema nini kuhusu hayo? Unaondokea masuala ambayo yalikuwa ya mashamba kuja kwa swala hili, utasema nini kuhusu hayo?
Yani yale ambayo yanafanyika ni kuna matukio mengi wakati huu tukielekea kwa uchaguzi. Huwezi kusema uache hii na ufanye hii.
Hata sasa tunaenda Kajiado.
Sasa hii ninatoka naenda Kajiado. Nakwenda kuongea mambo zingine huko Kajiado. Lakini sasa hii press conference tumeita kudeal na hii maneno ambayo ni mambo ya dharura ili ijulikane. Taifa iweze kujua ya kwamba kuna tukio yale ambayo yanaendelea, na sisi kama wale ambao tunahusika na tunashiriki katika uchaguzi huu, tungependa kuona kama uchaguzi umefanyika kwa njia ya haki na ukweli. This country deserves proper leadership elected in a democratic way. There always will be attempts to try to impose leadership on the country through undemocratic ways. We saw it in 2007, and you know the consequences. So it is incumbent upon us as people who are participating in these elections to ensure that we don't have a repeat of what happened in this country in 2007. And that's the reason why we are pointing them out each time they happen. We talked about that issue of the printing of ballot papers. And you now know what happened in 2013. If you ask any of those former commissioners of the defunct IEBC, they will confirm to you that there were 2 million extra ballot papers which were printed and which were handed over, and were handed over then to the Director of Intelligence, and they were marked at the Kenyatta University, and they were stuffed. And when the computer was rejecting the stuffed ballot papers, they crashed the server of the computer. And that's why they delayed the announcing of the presidential results. People voted on Monday, the results were out on Tuesday, but they were not announced on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday, until Saturday, when they were adopting the results. Those are facts. So we don't want to have a repeat of that again. And that's why we say that ballot papers must be printed by a credible company. And the IBC cannot inform Kenyans that there's only one company in this world that can do the printing of ballot papers. Printing ballot papers is not rocket science. In Ghana, they print them in Ghana. We only fear that if they were to be printed here in Kenya, they would be doing monkey business with it, as you know. But there are several companies in Europe, in Belgium, in Germany, even the UK, which are capable of doing the printing. They have been making some wild allegations that there's a company in South Africa. I've just heard about that company from one Mr. Duale, that they have been funding for that company. I am not that cheap to be involved in tenders for printing of ballot papers. I would never stoop that low. So those are basically diversionary tactics, trying to divert the attention of the country. That, CORD or NASA was also rooting for another company. We are not rooting for another company. But we told you that there's evidence that this company even played host to the president in Dubai. That is not a secret. It's not a secret. And that they went to State House also, and even you saw the pictures. Now they're telling you, oh, that was a delegation of the Chamber of Commerce. But you can be a leader of a company, and you're also a chairman of Chamber of Commerce. The chairman of Chambers of Commerce are themselves businessmen. Okay?
And that's a good enough. Thanks.